Well, me tell you about garden. Don't get no expect no flowers. Crazy shootout with 5 hours. Crazy on the click, them no deal with bowers. No hours whenever it rain, it showers.
Mark, Dinal, OC, Shotty Mark. Let me say it again. You think me don't know your real name, but don't they tell you say me know your real name, you know. Mark, Dinal, OC, Shotty Mark. You better lift up from round at the Bronx. Hussy, may I tell you that. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Mark, Dinal, OC, Shotty Mark. You see how close me I come to you though? You see how close me I come to you? You think me don't know your real name? You think me don't know your mother? You think me don't know where your mother work? And you think me don't know nothing? But pum, me I tell you, lift up half of the corner there. Make sure you lift up half of the corner there. You see you, if you was a different youth, Jano, would I make you live, you know? But you see you don't make nobody live. You kill Debbie Chang. You kill the 80-year-old woman. You kill the man dem a firehouse. And me I talk about that. I just threw the man when me and him link in a firehouse, the man out of town right now. You understand? All of them people are pissed off with you. You kill the two sisters them. You see what me I say? Yo, baby mother, me I warn you. Keep your picking them from him. The girl with the Benz. Take away your car. Take away the Benz them. Me I warn you. Yo, the other baby mother. Or the other girl where they are Connecticut. Run him out of your house. Me talk to the Spanish girl also. You see what I'm saying? Him think him can go to the pizza parlor. Or him can go to the bowling alley. And the, where the thing they name the pool hall. Not the bowling alley, sorry. My bad. I'm now cut it out. Him think him can go to the pool hall and them thing there. My youth, you don't give nobody a chance. Mark, Dinal, may I tell you, I want you lift up out of the Bronx. May I tell you something about your mother again. Them call your mother Fatty. A Fatty your mother name, you know. And yo, me here say you not even know your father, you know. Straight up. You understand? And me I tell you something about that boy, yeah, too. Me I tell you something. That's why him did have so much power at Jamaica, you know. That's why him did have so much power at Jamaica. Cause there's a certain thing about him where people never know. Probably Uncle Man them around him know. And I want to tell you in another video here, but I feel like me I gonna leave it for another video. Make me decide my mind right now what me I gonna do about that info there. He born in a Western Kingston, you know. You understand? And then I'm town him go. And you see, his mother used to work at the Denham Town police station. I want to know, listen to what me I say now. His mother used to work at the Denham Town police station where she used to cook for all the police them. It start to make sense right now, right? Now, you see him, as a little boy I grew up, all him used to do is be the send out for the police. Them send him cross the street. Go buy things to them. Or the do boy run around, get things to the police, get things to officer this, officer that. You understand? Now, after a while, him start broke out. And when him broke out and start for a certain company, him realize him have the police protection. So that boy back in a them time there, you know, him did have police protection. But pussy, now, you don't have no police protection. Nobody not there to protect you. I mean, here say, the policeman, where them say are your father, are not even your real father. You understand? So maybe all your brother and your sister are stepbrother, stepsister. You understand? I mean, here say you get the policeman name, last name. Cause through your mother, him used to flex. But my youth, remember me tell you, me know things about you. I mean, I warn you. You see me get your name though. See me get your name and I can tell you your whole fucking history. You understand? run away from half of the corner, make some other man start eat, go turn in yourself, or go to Jamaica make titty man them judge you, like how you judge people. You see you, a youth like you, to be honest, I'm a youth like uno, me tired of uno bumbuckler. For real, me tired of uno, and me no care what nobody want to say, me I do my job. Like me say, you see me, countryman not perfect, but me have certain morals about me, you understand? And you see you, Shotty Mark, use a slime bag, you always a slip and a slide and I expect, say yo, you gonna make people have bad days. Enough people you make cry. You understand? Enough people, you know, and think say yo, you gonna have a nice day. Yo, me not join them blood clot policy there. And worst thing, you not help none of the youths them at Jamaica. You not help none of the youth them on the block in your corner round you. All you do, I said it go give man a yard to buy bleaching cream and blood clot Tommy Hill figure boxers. You understand? That's all you do. I try get man to do things for you. But no man now do nothing for you. Yo, you see the way how you stay? You can't even trust nobody because the little man from Raytete come round you to do certain things. And you pull gun, run with the man, you have Gloria. Diss up the man. The man get afraid, say yo, in family them they are Jamaican and them thing you use all the time. You see what me I say? Me personally, any boy touch any of my family them at Jamaica or anywhere, America, England, anywhere, and me know, I hunt me a blood clot unto no dung to the end of the fucking world. When you think I joke me a blood clot, make. You understand? And that me I tell you. So you see me I know somebody wanna play with. Mark Dinal, OC, Shotty Mark. Make sure you lift up half of the corner there. Nobody give it Dominican man will walk and tip like something broke off in bottom. Shit for hustle dog. You understand? I want you runway. You should have turned in yourself. Remember, your thief do those them money and you diss up the man them. People, let me tell you how him stay. You see, you and him can there start talk, you know, and everything good. As you walk off him a chat, you know. And I say, yo, that boy there pussy this, that, ray. And him now, when you walk up on the block or anywhere him there, it's like you have to give him respect and give him honor. Pussy, me nah give you no respect. Anyhow me did walk up on you, yo, make me shut my mouth, yeah, man. Make me shut my mouth. But yo, remember me tell you, you see me a different kind of stepper. When you're there at Jamaica, you have a whole heap of police protection. That's why you did a drive round and go all about and do pure fuckery. And when you do it, you get where. You understand? Cause the man them will protect you, but after a while, the police them at Jamaica did stop protect you. Cause them realize what you do. You used to spar with Nunu Post. But me I tell you this right now, you see Nunu Post a better boy than you. Because certain things Nunu Post now do. And mostly man they step to and police. They might say, yo, you kill police, but yo, you not kill the police. Appear innocent people, you kill a woman. You understand? You're not a bad boy compared to Nunu Post and them man there. You understand? You is a big, stinking, rotten tomato. And you say, for that, you go down my youth. Me no care. Me dep on your case. Remember now, me tell you, you think me never know your name? Mark Dinal. OC Shotty Mark. You understand? Your mother name, Miss Fatty. She used to cook at Denham Town police station for the police then. That's why you have so much pull. You understand? With that said, my youth, me I warn you, leave the block. Nobody got the pizza store, nobody got the pool hall. Nobody try regroup certain man because, yo, me know say a long time you're around there, you know. And through you're around a long time, you know enough people. And you use your rate and frighten up the people, them, and enough people afraid of you, you know. But me not afraid of you. Me I do my job. And listen, me nah sleep until me nah sleep. And you see, you picture in the airport of Jamaica, you know. And me I go see if you really wanted my youth. Me I go see if you really wanted. And remember me tell you, Lego off of the corner there. The corner there, I know yours no more. You understand? A countryman. And me run that now. Me run you off of that. You understand? Lego the corner there. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe and click on another video. But me not play with you, Shotty Mark. You understand? Me's a different kind of vlogger. Alright? I'm out.